Hi, my name is Roxana Petkova and I'm here today to give you some tips on how to make your life a bit more interesting when you're living under quarantine. I know that those are strange times. We cannot go out, we cannot enjoy a walk in the park, we cannot really see friends, but still you could make your life a bit more interesting. You don't have to spend your time watching Netflix all day long or playing computer games all day long. In general, spending a lot of time in front of a screen sucks, and maybe it's good for 2 days or 3 days, but after a while it gets boring. So this is why I'm here today. My first tip, I know it may sound like a cliche, but is to find a hobby. There are a million of opportunities out there that you could try out. You don't have to like everything that you try out, you just have to experience new stuff. For example, you could try out cooking and you find out that maybe you don't enjoy it, maybe you suck at it, and that doesn't really matter. You move on to the next thing. Maybe you complete puzzles, maybe you start growing your own plants. The opportunities are endless. So my second tip would be to clean your house or your apartment. Yes, I know this sounds boring as hell, but if you play the right music, maybe it will not be boring as hell. Maybe you will get your body going, moving, and you can enjoy your cleaning while dancing. Also, when you open your drawers or your cupboards and see the organized stuff, it will be worth it after you do it. My third tip would be to take care of your physical and your mental health. The physical health, maybe this is apparent. You can do workouts. You can go on YouTube and there are some pretty amazing workouts. It doesn't have to be an hour long. There are 10 minutes, 15 minutes. The duration is variable, so you choose that. You don't need equipment. You can use your body weight, and also you don't have to be in a good physical shape. There are some beginner guides out there, so you can just do that. And regarding the mental health, you could do yoga and meditation. Once again, you use YouTube. So there are a lot of videos on YouTube with guided meditation. They last from 10 minutes to 1 hour. You just find a comfortable position, you put your headphones in, you close your eyes and you enjoy whatever you hear. Usually there are people talking with calming voices, and they tell you when to breathe, how to breathe, where in your body to focus your mind on, and stuff like that. And yoga is pretty self-explanatory. A lot of people know the concept behind yoga, and it involves both physical movement and breathing techniques. So it calms the body, but it also works on the mind and on the calmness of your mind. So it really is good for both physical and mental health. And if you're a girl, I have a tip for you, and that would be to try out new makeup routines or try out new skincare routines. Yeah, maybe you don't have the right products at your disposal, but right now there are a lot of sales going on in the online shops, so you could just use them, order some stuff and try them out and see what works for your skin, what works for your eyes, what makes you pretty, what makes you feel good. Also, you could try some tutorials on what to do with your hair. For example, my natural hair is wavy/curly, but I usually straighten it. But you can find some tutorials on how to curl your hair if you have straight hair, or how to do braids, because normally I'm pretty sure you just go to school or you just go to university and just either straighten it or just curl it, but don't do anything special. But now is the time to really work on yourself and work on how you feel regarding your body and your face and your overall image. So last but not least, I know that you cannot see your friends. This is a painful situation, but you can call them and use online platforms such as Zoom, Discord, even you can call them on Messenger and just talk and make this situation a bit more bearable. It's really hard for all of us, but trust me, there are stuff that you can do in order to feel better. And please remember to hydrate properly, drink lots of liquids, not only alcohol, and also eat good food. Eat nutritious food, don't lay on the sofa all day long, and move a bit more so that you feel amazing. And this is all. These were all my tips. I hope that you find some of them beneficial for you and you might try some of these things that I mentioned. And yeah, bye.